This is such a very emotional moment for me. Um, I didn't expect the turnout for this 50th anniversary of my beloved PNHS class of 1975. After 50 years, we are back to where we came from. Very much enthusiastic and very much happy at that to see each other once again. So, personally, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to all the officers, the committee members, and all my classmates. We graduated in 1975, 512 strong men and women who went their separate ways to chart their own lives. And today we are gathered back. At least half of us, some of us have gone ahead, but now we're older, wiser. We are now, most of us are already retired. Some are still working like me, but very much enthusiastic to keep the unity of our beloved class. So again, salamat na balbalog at si kayo namin, agagi, classmates, and everyone who was at stake in the Pangasinan National High School. We are not great for nothing. We are not number one for nothing. We are not the best class for nothing. Mabuhay!
So I'm very excited for this reunion. That's been 50 years since our graduation. And I'm excited and very happy to see old friends, old classmates, especially those I miss so much, yung mga hindi nakikita sa Facebook. Dito lang makikita. So, ibang-iba yung damdamin pag nakikita mo talaga yung mga kasama mo nung kababata, nung kasama mo sa kahirapan, nung batang-bata pa kayo na wala pang masyadong problema sa buhay. Tapos makikita mo sila ngayon na maganda na yung estado ng buhay. So talagang nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso na makikita mo silang ibang-iba na ngayon at naka, nag-improve na yung kabuhayan nila. Ang gusto ko sana na sa susunod na mga taon ay maging magkaisa pa rin tayo at lagi pa rin tayong nagkakakita-kita para maging mahaba yung ating pagsasama hanggang habang buhay sana.
Hello everyone. Ako yung pinakauna sa linya noon, ngunit pinakahuli sa grade sheets. Ako si J. Juanito Ladislao. I would like to greet you all a happy Jubilee Homecoming. We are gold, sabi nga, kaya 50 years, we are making history of our beloved Pangasinan National High School. Let us continue to see each other, to be busy with our work, pero huwag natin kalimutan ang pinagmulan natin na school. Let us join hands to help other people sa school. Let us not cease to help Pangasinan National High School. Let us see each other again. 50 years tayo, another 50 years sana. And with that, happy Golden Jubilee Homecoming sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Hi, si Andres de Vera. Well, first of all, thanks God na most of us are here for our 50th golden anniversary. Sana nga mag-continue tong ganito, won't be the last one kasi dakeltin right? So we have to do it kasi the one thing, I'm really so proud ng outcome ng year natin because nakita nyo naman na maayos halos tayong lahat. And then, yung medyo maayos-ayos naman dyan, at least we have a chance to help those medyo ng konti. So, papasalamat tayo sa Diyos na bigyan pa sana tayo ng mahabang buhay, then we can still get together at maging masaya tayo. Those other little, yung mga challenges sa buhay, you know, let's not to be too serious about it. I think the best way, ipa-adjust na lang natin and then we will have a better life. Kasi it's not about kung maganda yung buhay ng isa or whatever. We're all the same, trust me. You know, galing tayo lahat doon. At again, nagpapasalamat ako na even though hindi ako masyadong nakakasama for this kind of events, but nakita ko kung how successful ang nangyari sa atin, especially those organizers dito sa atin. And of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan those people whom we owe na nagturo sa atin. They're really one of the biggest part in our journey sa buhay natin. Kaya, well, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo. Hopefully, mayroon na namang susunod na isa, dalawa, tatlo, you know. All right? Okay, God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello, labi sa kayo namin. Saksi, si Sinando Sarsaba, balik-likitak ya, anabot tayo nata na 50 golden Jubilee anniversary natin. Minsan, ang kapoy, ang tingnan to, social media, at tayo makapanungan natin, ya, san ka classmate. Niningyutan 50 years tayo akapanungan, natan tilabat akapanungan ya, sayang 50 years na ya anniversary tayo. Nasaman, angga po ni social media, angga po, tayo makapanungan kumon. Minsan sa isakin ni, ya, ken, minsan salam tayo tagoy, ya, wadya tayo, sabi tayo 50 years tayo, ya, mabilay tini, maksil tini. Minsan, asakin ni, ya, kingkingin ng kuyo. Naabot tini ko muna 75 years, ya, anniversary tayo. Balbaliga salamat si kayo, ya, si kayong kabas ko, classmate ko, ya, wadya tayo mantutuyaw. Minsan, malikot tayo namin, tayo asong palaya anniversary tayo. Mantutuyaw tayo dyan, Ken, social media, business, kanto, wala kin messenger, kanto. Kaya marakap ya, agaw sa tayo golden anniversary natin. Salamat sa kayo namin, tan balbalog, ya, sayang pantutuyaw tayo. Salamat.